Wait, did you know that plants can hear? Yep, you heard that right. Studies show that pea plant roots actually grow toward the sound of flowing water, even if there's no moisture nearby. That means plants aren't just sitting there, they're listening to their environment. Imagine this, you water one side of a plant but play running water sounds on the other side. The roots will chase the sound instead of the actual water. Crazy, right? Scientists think this helps plants survive during droughts by seeking out hidden underground streams. Nature just keeps getting wilder, doesn't it? Tag a friend who needs to hear this, literally. And don't forget to subscribe WT Facts for more mind-blowing facts.